all loaded up, ready to go on a run tomorrow. Psych. That was the plan, but somehow I blew a hole in my gearbox. And when I say I blew a hole, I mean this goddamn thing blew a hole in the side of the gearbox. And that hole's not supposed to be there. So now I got it loaded up. Dealerships are closed right now, but I'm gonna be calling the place I got it from in the morning, and they better be doing something for me, because this is crazy. This machine's like 3 months old. Shouldn't be happening. Shouldn't be happening. Smarten up. Morning. Gotta love the country. All right, truck's loaded up. See you back there. On the way to Adventure Motors up in New Glasgow. Got a 3-hour drive ahead of me. Speaking to them on the phone, I got an inkling they're gonna be pretty good to me. To me, this is a warranty issue, there's no question. But I'll let you guys know how I may go. Fingers crossed. Sunny Saturday, just hanging out in the yard. I have no four-wheeler, as you've seen. What's up, dude? I don't really know exactly what's going on, but it's pretty obvious that it's a blown gearbox, a gear or something in there. It just exploded from the inside out. There's no other way to have the case, but there's no other way for the case to blow up like that. So it's at the dealer. They're pretty confident that there's a part in stock, so hopefully next week they should have it, and another week or so after that I'll have it back, but that's kind of best case scenario. So yeah, we're just hanging out in the yard, playing some basketball and waiting for good news. Take a shot. If you get it in, I'll put it on YouTube.
Are we supposed to with the under the leg?
Sure. For 3. Nice one. You want to drive the Kodiak? You want to take me for a drive?
Sure.
Pretty nice new helmet there, dude. I think it's missing something, though. I think it needs a monster sticker like mine.
Oh, yeah, baby. Let's put it on.
Okay, I think I got a few left here. I think we'll put this little guy
right there.
Let's see where the goggles land first. We don't want to be covering it up. You gotta have the monster sticker, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect, dude. What do you think?
Good.
Now you're ready to rip. Hold her in, bud.
Keep dreaming I wanna be someone.
Says he wants to go on his own.
I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise with hate on.
Alright, it's super windy. I don't know if you can hear me. We're just heading back home to grab Mama Bear. And then we're gonna go to the camp for tonight. Tomorrow's Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to everybody. Well, I guess it'll be yesterday by the time you guys watch this. So like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you on the next video.
Peace. Bye, bye, bye.